Hello, the students of class 10th. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today it is our 14th lecture, and in this lecture, we will study the chapter The Thief's Story from the book Footprints Without Feet. There are two books in your class. One is Footprints Without Feet, another is First Flight. So, from the Footprints Without Feet, we will study the thief's story. It is also written by Ruskin Bond. In this story, Anil is a person, main protagonist, and there is a boy who is almost 15 years. His name is not given, but he has kept his name Hari Singh falsely. So this is a story when one day Anil was watching a wrestling match. A boy of 15 years, Anil was also 20 years old almost. So a boy of 15 years came and sat beside him and started watching that match. That boy was not a good boy, he was a thief. And his main function was that he used to cheat one person every week, and in this way he saw Anil and thought that Anil is better person to cheat. So he sat there and started praising Anil, saying that you are like a wrestler. Anil also answered that you are also looking like a wrestler. But 15 years old boy was not so he started embarrassing himself. But when the match ended, Anil started going out from the field. Hari Singh, whose name was Hari Singh, false name, he also started following him. When Anil asked, why are you following? Then he said, will you please give me work? Anil said, no, I have no work, I have no money. Then he said that, Hari Singh said that, no, I shall do work. If you will give me only food, I shall do work at your home. Then Ali said, do you know how to eat food? Then Hari Singh said, yes, I know. Then you are okay. And in this way, Anil and Hari Singh both went to Anil's home. When he was given, Hari Singh was given to make food, to cook food, it was worse. Anil understood that this boy has no art to cook food. So from the next day, that boy was only given to buy some vegetables from the market, and this way he started doing works at home. Anil was a writer, so he used to go to his office, publishing office, and come. Hari Singh was waiting for the money which he will steal from Anil. But Anil had no money. Sometimes when he used to come with money, he used to spend that money with his friends and drink and everything and other things. Hari Singh only used to get 1 rupees or 2 rupees every day when he comes out from that market. When some money is left from the market money, in this way he was leaving and waiting for the time to come. One day Anil came with a bundle of notes and kept that bundle of notes inside the bed and slept. This day was the right day for Hari Singh to steal that money, and he decided and he did that. Stealing the money, he went out from home and decided that he will go to another city by taking train. And in this way, he went to the railway station, and there he also got inside that train. But he started thinking about Anil, that what will happen when he will awoke. What will he think about me? That person who was giving me food, who was educating me also. Then what he will think? I think it will not affect him that his money has gone, but his heart will be affected. He will be very sad that he has been cheated. So he also made his mind that I shall not go out from the city, and I should go to any of his friend's house. But he thought that friend is also not such type of person which will conceal my secret. So he decided to come back to Anil's home, and his mind was changed completely, and he thought, he decided that he will live with Anil honestly. So he returned back. While returning, it started raining, so his body became drenched, and in this way his notes were also wet. When he came home, the gate was still open. Anil was still sleeping. He kept that note inside that bed and slept. Next day when he got up, Anil was already there. He was cooking meal, he was cooking breakfast, making breakfast, and he was as usual and normal. He was not showing any type of expression that he was known about the money, about Hari Singh, that he had taken out my money and again returned. He was completely known about it, but he was not showing from his face. And next he did that, he said to Anil that you taking a 50 rupees note, that you will take 50 rupees note every month as a salary, so don't worry. And in this way he said also that I shall teach you properly how to make sentences. That time Hari Singh understood that this is the right person. This type of person should never be cheated. And in this way the story ends. So this is the story of a thief. ये कहानी है अनिल की और हरि सिंह की. जैसे कि अनिल जाता है, अनिल रेसलिंग मैच देखता रहता है, तो हरि सिंह वहाँ पहुँचता है और वो उससे काम का डिमांड करता है. वो उसे काम भी देता है, अगर कहता है कि अगर तुम्हें खाना बनाने आता है तो मैं तुम्हें काम दूंगा, और इस तरह से काम उसको मिल भी जाता है. घर पे उसके रहता है और घर पे रहते रहते प्लान बनाता रहता है किस दिन पैसा मिलेगा और मैं लेकर के भाग जाऊंगा. और इस तरह से एक दिन मौका आता है जब वो एक बंडल नोट्स का लेके आता है, तो उस दिन वो रात में उसको चुरा करके लेके भाग जाता है. लेकिन जब स्टेशन पे आता है तो उसके दिल जो अंदर से वो अलाउ नहीं करता है कि वो जाए उसको छोड़ करके, क्योंकि उसको ऐसा लगता है कि वो अनिल को चीट कर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा चीट कर रहा है. और वो चीट करने से पैसे का उसको कोई दुख नहीं होगा, लेकिन एक आदमी ने एक आदमी को चीट कर दिया, इसका दुख बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, दूसरे पर से विश्वास उठ जाएगा उसका. इसलिए उसने फैसला किया कि वापस आ जाए, और वापस आते में उसका पैसा भीग भी जाता है. और इस तरह से यही भीगना जो है ना, ये मालूम पड़ जाता है अनिल को कि ये पैसा कभी बाहर गया था. और इस तरह से उसको समझ में आया है कि हरि सिंह ने ये पैसा चुराया था, लेकिन फिर उसका दिल बदल गया, इसलिए वापस ला के रख दिया है. तो उसको अपने मन ही मन इस बात को शो नहीं करता है कि हाँ वो जानता है, लेकिन फिर भी मन ही मन उसको फैसला कर लेता है. और वो उसको कह भी देता है कि मैं तुम्हें हर महीने 50 रुपया दूंगा एज अ सैलरी, लेकिन तुम काम करो. और इस तरह से ये कहानी ख़त्म होती है. नेक्स्ट डे I shall try to explain it line by line. So you all need to read this chapter once, twice or thrice. जितनी बार आपसे हो सके आप इसको पढ़ेंगे, और फिर उसके बाद हम लोग कल इसको जब पढ़ेंगे लाइन बाय लाइन तो अच्छा रहेगा, आपको समझ में भी आएगा. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.